Homesun Electric Appliance Company Limited is a joint venture established in 2003. We are specialized in developing and manufacturing refrigerator and wine cooler. Homesun is located in Shunde, known as Kingdom of Home Appliances in China, has 465 employees, and occupies a plant of 30,000 square meters. Our company has insisted on the tenet of customer first for a long time. In order to meet the diversified requirements of different customers, we have a professional R&D team to provide individualized R&D design and customization services for different customers. Up to now, our products are sold not only in domestic market, but also popular in North America, West Europe, and Asia, and Homesun has been reputed worldwide as one competitive and trustworthy manufacturer. Homesun has rich experience in the field of thermoelectric cooling through persisting in the strategic policy of creativity and innovation. We have developed minibar and wine cooler with outstanding performance and got several patents in the unique technology, heat pipe, airflow design. Nowadays, we have obtained CCC, CE, CB, ETL, GS certificates, and passed RoHS test. When facing the new market opportunities and challenges, we will try our best to provide the satisfactory products and services to you and try to become one of the leading enterprises in the industry, integrating the businesses of leasing, distribution, engineering, R&D, manufacturing, and wholesale.